Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing my Prime Day haul, so if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. I wasn't planning on buying anything for Prime Day this year, but then I saw I had a bunch of rewards from my credit card on Amazon, and I was like, you know what, I'll treat myself. So what I did was I always put things in lists, so I went through all those lists and I just went through things that I thought, you know, I can use or I'd like or I've been wanting to try. I thought now is the time. First, I got these Sperry's. These are originally like $70 and I got them for like $40, which I think is a really good deal. I got them in a size 8 because I like to size up in any shoe that slips on. I did wear them yesterday. They were so comfortable, and I'm definitely thinking about getting another pair because of how comfortable they are. I didn't open like half these things because I wanted to film the haul for you guys. So next I got some Beetles gel polish. I'll put a screenshot. These are reflective glitter gel polishes. I own a lot of reflective gel polishes already, but this had some colors that I don't have, so I bought these. This is a repurchase all the time. This is my favorite teeth whitening system. You literally put it in this little tray. I don't know if this one has the tray or not, or it could just be the gel. Some do have just the tray, like it's a kit with the gel in the tray. Put it in the tray and I just hop in the shower. My teeth visibly whiter. I haven't used it in a really long time, so I'm really happy that I got this. And if you do want this, like even on not Prime Day, it is so affordable. It's under $10. Highly recommend it. Next I have to open the package because I understand Amazon's trying to like be eco-friendly and stuff and not use so much plastic in boxes, but I hate this is how they send some products because it's like, what if it's a gift, you know? So I got these little powder puff things. I've been wanting to try them. Prime Day was a great day to buy them. They're super cheap anyways, so I got them for even cheaper. But I'm really excited to try these and see if they really like blur my face. Alright, last are these. I saw them on a girl on TikTok talk about them, and they're eyeliner brushes, and apparently these make doing your eyeliner easy and like with zero effort, so I'm really excited to try these out. You can use them with liquid, gel, or eyeshadow. So if you guys want like a video on these, let me know in the comments down below. And that is it for my Prime Day haul. Again, everything will be linked down below in the description box if you guys want to check anything out. Let me know what you got during Prime Day in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what everyone got. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.